Hey guys, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we're going to be turning Mater into Max, the dog from How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Use a cup or a small rolling pin to roll out enough brown Play-Doh to completely cover Mater. Next, you'll take a small butter knife and cut away the Play-Doh that is covering Mater's eyes. Max has long, floppy ears. Using some black Play-Doh, create 2 oblong ears that you'll attach to each side of Mater. Use a tiny ball of brown Play-Doh for Max's nose. I used 1 brown pipe cleaner to create Max's antlers. I attached it to his head by pressing it down into the Play-Doh, and then I tied it in place with a string, just like in the movie. We also created a tutorial where we turned Chick Hicks into the Grinch, and we have big plans for the Grinch and Max. So make sure that you come back and check out our videos. And there's our Max, the poor little puppy from How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy holidays and thanks for watching.